Alright everybody, welcome back. So this is the last piece, the last kit for Eric's set. Eric's down in Florida. I think I did a video on some of his other kits. And I've been holding on these rings, waiting for my fab shop to finish them up. I got them day before yesterday and getting everything wrapped up over this weekend. And gonna get these out Monday afternoon to him. So just want to show these off real quick, and you guys have seen them in other videos, how they work, how they operate. Really awesome, really bright. These guys are made completely plug and play. All right, so snap everything together, male female connectors, you know, and light them up. So they are direct bolt on, so your 2 caliper bolts. I do have these in standard brackets with individual, standard rings with individual brackets, and then of course these are, you know, all welded in place. So these are a little bit easier to install. They're a hell of a lot of a time saver when it comes to installation time, which is money. So they're well worth the coin for the few dollars that it costs to actually upgrade to these. You save so much more money on the back side of the deal. But anyway, just want to show these off, what they look like. I haven't had a chance to do a lot of videos here lately because I've been so backed up. But stay tuned. I've got a bunch of stuff I've got to upload. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.